Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made by Unique, and today we're going to see how to put the bullet points side by side on the same line. You can use two bullets points by using side by side or on the same line. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video.
So to create a bullet points on side by side, you just need to first insert a table from here. And for an example, I just need a 2 into 2 table like this. Then I just need a 1, 2, 3 and 4 points. Okay, so I just going to bullet this point by selecting this. Okay, just need to bullet, sorry. Okay, I just going to bullet this point. For an example, you can type anything like this or like this or like this, whatever that you want. So now everything has been filled. So I just make a copy of this and I just paste here. So actually I need a bullet side by side. So by using this table option, so you just click inside the table and select all the content, and now click on right click on the mouse. You just see a table properties option here. You just click here, then you can see a color option here. Just click this, then you just need to change the table border color to white. So now just click on the screen. You can see the table, the points has been side by side. You can also create this points by 3 rows or 4 rows, whatever. Just insert a table, then we want to just select the entire table, then click on the border color, remove the black color to white. You will have a side by side bullet points easily. Try this option on Google Task now.
Friends, if you find this video useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. If you want more content about the Google Task, just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.